good to have you all. It's another day. Mark your attendance. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from? Tell me, how did you spend your day? Did you look at your charts? I know. Did you look at your charts? No, no. All right, let's move. Mohammed, good to have you. Good to have you. David, Teacher Lee, Rez. It's always nice to have you guys. It's always nice to have you. Jerome, Rod, good to see you all. Cameroon, you just on time. Good to have you. Good to have you all, guys. Tell me, how did you spend your day? Guys, tell me, how did you spend your day today? Hey. Guys, I am trading binary options and the chart we are on is Brent oil. Tell me, guys, how did you spend your day today? All right, our first trade goes in our direction. First trade goes in our direction. I'm glad you noticed, Raphael. New hair, new vibes. That's how we're doing it tonight. That's how we're doing it tonight. Guys, you can see we are in a downtrend. Structure is bearish. That's why I'm taking these sales. You know how we do it when you are in a downtrend? You wait for a pullback, then you get along and move along with the trend. It is always easier to trade with a trend, so that's what exactly we're doing right now. Damn. Oh my god. Our sales have been invalidated here, but the trend is still bearish, so we are adding more sales. Let us see how it goes. Let us see how it goes for us. No. Let me just guys, Cameron, you're saying you had a good day. Cameron, you're saying you had a good day. That is nice. Which pair were you trading that worked out for you? Which pair were you trading? I mean, Anita, good to have you. Looking damn gorgeous. Thank you. Thank you. Tonight, I guess you're gonna be sharing me with nice comments. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Let us keep moving. This is a trading assembly. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? And you're free to ask me any trading question that you wanna know. Guys are crazy. It's too early to be crazy. Let us lock in, guys. Let us lock in. Of course, the bearish and bullish headbands are gonna be coming in once in a while, guys. We have to spice up things. There are days when we have to be 100% bullish. They call me 11. Good to see you again. We got the pressure for taking our lives seriously. We got daily jobs and we got bills to pay. Guys, this is a trading assembly. Continue marking your attendance. Let us see how our sales go. Nice. You're having movements in our direction, guys. I love this. Wow, we are locked in. Anita watching from Liberia. Wow, good to see you. Good to see you, guys. I need to hear more about you guys. Tell me, how did you spend your day today? Anything special that happened to you? Did you look at your charts? Run away, love. Run away, love. Gilbert, good to have you. Good to have you. Civility, good to have you. Good to have you. To X Raquel, good to see ya. What's your name? My name is Ivy the Trader, the only trader in the building right now. A Class Duke, good to see ya. Good to see ya. Good to see you all, guys. So let us move. Let us move. A inside. Guys, if I wasn't executing, I would show you how to daggy. How are you the best trader on planet? Eish! Guys, like I told you, like I always tell you, you have to first believe in yourself that you are the best. And if you have such a mindset, believe me, even results are going to respect you by force. So you're supposed to really believe in yourself that you are the best. And you also keep on shocking yourself and proving yourself that you are the best. It all starts with believing in yourself. Yeah, because sometimes actually what hinders some traders, and even me, it has happened to me. When you don't believe in yourself, you're going to keep on learning and learning new things. But in actual sense, you're supposed to remain with a few things and you just be consistent with them, because that's how trading happens. It's not all about collecting everything. It's all about focusing on a few things and you be consistent with them. But you also have to believe in yourself, because why not? If it's not you, then who? You should always have that mentality. If it's not you, then who? Of course, it has to be you. Cameron, you're disagreeing with me, but I told you guys I'm the first in my bloodline to be a trader. So I was speaking from that perspective, that I'm the only trader in my bloodline. Maybe others are gonna come after me, but right now in my bloodline, I'm the first and the only trader. Pavel, good to see ya. Good to see ya. The guy, you spent the entire day with your Muslim friends. That's nice. That is nice. I'm glad you spent some time with people. Yeah, it's always nice to hang out with family and friends. They help you recharge, so that when you come in the market, your minds are free. All right, nice. They call me 11. They call me 11. Tell me, what are you basing on to say that? Uz, Uzi, good to have you. Good to have you. How are you doing? Tell me, how did you spend your day today? How did you spend your day today? Did you guys look at your charts? The indicator I'm using it's Keltina channel, and I'm using it with its default settings. And whenever I'm using the indicator, guys, I always look out for a few things. And mostly I look out for a breakout. If we normally get a breakout to the downside, yeah, you start anticipating selling momentum in the market, but you can back your entries. You can add more confluences, and to add more confluences, that's when I consider my strategy, which is price action. So whenever I get a breakout, I also look out to understand the structure. If the structure is bearish, I'm going to anticipate that sellers are in the market, and I'll look forward to trade in line with the trend. Rod, you're the first millionaire in your bloodline. Are you trying to mean that? Every day you're learning something. That is nice. That is nice. And guys, whatever we share here and all the tips that are shared here, yeah, it's always best you practice them on your trading account. Me, the platform I'm using, it's Pocket Options, and there's a link in the description. You can also create an account so that anything that you learn, you really practice it. That's how you develop your skill and you become better at it. You know, trading is a skill that we have to build over time. So if you're really not practicing whatever you're learning, then you're really not working towards building your skill for it to become better, and you have a better edge against the market. Today was all about meeting family. That is nice. That is nice. That is nice. I also love really spending time with my family, honestly. I cannot trade those moments for anything. When I spend time with my family and friends, it's the best feeling for real. Okay. Buyers are moving, so let us move with them and see if we can lock in something here. I can decide I want to, but a bitch got pride. All right, we are locked in. And it's like we having a pullback right now. So let's see how it goes. Guys, you can see at the top of our trend, we got a bearish pin bar. That is a signal that bears the market is heading in either a pullback, or it could also give us a change in market structure. That's how you combine candlestick patterns with your trading. And like I already said, you with candlestick patterns, you have to see them in key areas. You can spot a pin bar just in the market, but it may not make sense. It has to be in a certain zone or certain area that you've been eyeing for you to start basing your market entries on it. Turn into diver. You don't make it ring, 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 ring. Damn, this really went crazy against us. So let's see what we have here. Erase, good to see ya. Good to see you all, guys. This is a trading assembly. Alright, guys, I'm rebooting my internet. You can hold on for 3 minutes, then we get back to it. Make it ring, ring, ring. Ring, ring, ring. Should I call fast? I can decide. But it's like I cannot change. In the hill, keep off in the main. In the middle, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top it, let it bang. But it's like I cannot change. In the hill, keep off in the main. In the middle, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top it, let it bang. All right. Let's see. Spirit World Project, good to have you. Good to have you always. YouTube commenter is that the indicator I'm using that you're seeing, the blue lines you're seeing, guys, on the chart, it's Keltina channel indicator. Yes, and I'm using it with its default setting. Whenever I'm using it, I always look out for breakouts either to the downside or to the upside. But it's like I cannot change. Keep off in the main. In the middle, sweet like candy cane. Guys, tell me, how did you spend your day today? I can see most of you really spent it with family. Do you have any traders that just looked at their charts? Do you have traders that were just looking at their charts? Guys, tell me. As you can see me, you know how I spent my day by just looking at me. I mean, you can tell. You can tell. All right. We've been moving for some time. Flexing, trying to exercise. All right, let's move. We are back like nothing. Hey. We're already having movements in our direction. Omar, good to see ya. Good to see ya, Omar. A great day for Evans. Evan had a great day. That is nice. Oh my God. Okay. Let's see. Even you were able to move from $7 to 23. Hey. I'm glad you did that. And let me hope you really remain consistent. Don't give up. Yeah. That's how you keep growing. And let me hope you're really practicing market discipline, because yes, the strategy could be A plus, but if your discipline is really not that well, you may still get wiped out in the market even when you are a good trader. Tech Wizard, good to have you guys. You can see we are in a bullish trend. A. This is what bullish means. Being bullish, and we are having a pullback right now. So let us see how it goes. The first profitable day for you. Oh my god. Wow, that is nice. Let me hope you know the reason and you remember everything that you did for you so that you keep doing it over and over again. Man, that's really good. That's really good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Oh. Teacher Lee, you just looked at the charts today. Oh my god. I'm glad you did. So next time you look at the charts, let me hope guys, whenever you're looking at the charts, you're not just looking at the candles printing on charts. You really have to have a reason why you're looking at the charts. You have to have a reason. You have to have something that you have to look out for. Yeah, so me, whenever I'm looking at the chart, at the back of my mind, I'm just looking out for my strategy. And like I always tell you, I follow a certain order whenever I'm looking out for my strategy. I don't start with candlestick patterns. I start with understanding the market trend or direction, because there it's going to help you understand in which direction you're really going to be taking your entries. So let's move.
This beat is normal.
When they call you, no answer. I said we can call you someone. Yeah, you leave me no choice, so very soon I go out there for your demand. Then you hear the side dress on. But I saw you last night at the club. Even though I have
my shirt on, yeah, they're coming around my long. Alright, you're locked in. Quick trade demo is killing me super quick. I'm not honestly, guys. Anyway, this is from my own experience, because I believe that every trader has their own experience, but me, I do not really support demo trading, especially for a trader who has really spent some time in the market. Yeah, it is really not nice, because I don't feel like it's really going to help you with your psychology, because with trading, we kind of get emotionally attached to our entries or to just trading, because honestly we are dealing with real money. That's why trading is very risky. But you really now with that experience, you have to get the real market experience for you to really, for your skill to be taken to another level. And I believe if you really be on the demo, it will take you long to get that experience. It's better you test the markets with little capital, but at least you're getting the real market experience from the real account. That is entirely from my own experience as a trader, because what do I know? But that's what I really do whenever. Actually, that's what I was really doing when I was still a beginner. I was only just trading real accounts. Just the difference was in the size of the account. I can take this chemistry. I can take what's lies in you. It's trying to me. Playing with you. Baby, you're done for me. I told you. Baby, you're a sufferer. Soldier killer. Alright, let's see if you can get another entry. Ivan says the key guys, today Ivan had a profitable day. So whatever he's telling us today, I believe it's right. Yeah, sticking to your strategy is really very key, and being consistent with it is the other way you can get to this other side of trading and really start seeing results. There is no need for you to keep changing and switching between strategies just from you taking a single loss or a few losses, because honestly, losses are part of our game. You just have to keep trusting your strategy as long as it's giving you a certain level of profitability. You guys are crazy. Okay, the guy says me keeping market discipline versus the market disciplining me. I know that feeling, honestly. I know that feeling. There are sometimes actually when you are really in the market and you just feel like the market is working against you, and it's like every trade you execute, it immediately goes in the opposite direction of where you are executing, and it is quite a frustrating stage. But all those come from the trading mistakes that we make as traders. First trading mistake is trying to chase a trade. The other trading mistake is not following your strategy. The other trading mistake we make is taking long to execute. Yeah, you can see a move, but you hesitate to execute. Then you execute after, maybe after seeing a few candles going in your direction, then you try to chase the market. So of course the market is going to discipline you, because why not? The market doesn't care about your feelings. Oh my god, our cells are invalidated. So let's see if the market is switching structure or not. Hmm. All right, we're moving. We're moving. Prince, I'm glad you're understanding something. I mean, that's why we are always here every night to share trading tips. And I'm so glad today you guys are really sharing serious tips. I'm even taking notes. Yeah, I can see you're really onto something. I can see you're onto something. You're looking at your charts, and that is nice. That is nice. Mm-mm-mm. Stargate Puma, good to see ya. Good to have you. Mm-mm. See my God, come through again. Anita, I've blown my account off 3 times. Tell me, were you blowing them in a single day, in a single week? How was it? What happened exactly? As we are moving with this bullish structure, it's like the market is switching structure, guys, to buyers. So let us move with it. You can see it has been moving in series of breaking highs and maintaining the lows. We are so locked in, guys. We are so locked in. That's how we do it. Guys, and reminder, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question that you want to know. Yeah, as traders, we have to share. We have to share. I'm yelling timber. You better move. You better dance. Mm-mm. You better move. Mm-mm. You won't forget. Nature's in the building. Good to have you. Good to have you guys. Oh. So if you have not marked your attendance, I don't know what you're doing. Mark your attendance. Tell me where you're watching from. Guys, you can tell me which strategy you're also trading with. Oh my god. That was some crazy move there. But then, good to see ya. Good to see ya. Yo, do you guys? Whenever I'm looking at the market, of course, every time frame you're on, even that time frame you're already executing on your entries, you have to do analysis on it because how are you going to execute when you're really not looking at structure? So all time frames that you're using, you have to do analysis on all. Just when you're starting on higher time frames, you just get a bigger picture, and the more you reduce the time frames, the more you understand that the trends are what could be just a single move or like a 5 candle move. When you come on a lower time frame, it could actually give you a simple short trend. So you should also be looking out for that. Spirit World projects, yes. To your question. All right, Rose God, I can see you. Rose God says they are learning something. Guys, when you learn something, also make sure you practice what you've learned. That's how your skill keeps growing and growing. Or actually, that's how your skill keeps improving as a trader. You know, trading is a skill that we build over time, and it develops based on how much you put in to learn and how much you show up. Melissa, good to have you from Atlanta. That's nice. Nice to have you, my darling. Janos, good to see ya. You love my voice. Oh, that's nice. Thank you. Okay, Rose God. Of course, I'm dropping more and more videos about my strategy. Yes, and I'm glad the videos that you have watched, they are really helped you. So more are soon dropping. Just be locked on my channel. So if you haven't subscribed so that you don't miss out on any when I drop them.
Shut up and stand away. Shut up. Decide what I'm gonna do today. I'ma go ride the rain. Ghost. I'ma go ride the rain. I wanna look at the stars today. Ghost. I'ma go ride the rain. Ghost. I'ma go ride the rain.
All right. Okay.
I'ma go ride the rain. Ghost. I'ma go ride the rain.
We really need you to teach us. How else do we learn? Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question. My strategy is simple price action. Like, guys, honestly, to be honest, this is from my trading experience. Whenever you're trading or you look out for to trade, pick a few things and be consistent with them. Yeah, you do not have to learn all the strategies that are existing in this world, because trading strategies, guys, are quite many, and switching between them, it's not going to benefit you in any way. You just pick one single strategy, at least try to trade with it for about 6 months and conclude that it is not the one before switching on to the next. Like, you've been watching me every night, we are trading with price action, because consistency has never done anything bad to us apart from giving you results. Am I dreaming? There's a link in the description for my Telegram, and that's how you can reach out to me anytime. All right, guys, let us add these sales as we are catching on this pullback. We are anticipating the market to continue down, so let's see how it goes. 1. Okay, we lock in. That's how we're moving. Danielle, good to have you. If you use English, it's better you type your comments in English. That's what we're using here. I'm thinking this is French. I'm just assuming. Bonjour. Which you look so cute today, really. Thank you. Guys, thank you. Oh, it is Spanish. Hola. I know that's how they greet in Spanish. Hola. Portuguese. Okay. I'll stop there. But it's alright. It's nice to have you guys. Let me hope you're really picking something. Wisdom, good to see ya. AR3, what's up? What's up? This is going crazy against us. Oh my god. Damn. Oh my god. Okay, let us add sales now. Let us see how it goes. Okay, beautiful. Yeah, guys, reversal entries are so crazy. All right. I'm sorry, Taiwo. Good to have you. You shouldn't feel jealous for no reason. Okay, guys, we are moving in a downwards movement. So let us see if we can get more trades in that line. In Ghana. Okay. Oh my god. Where has this crazy candle come from? It has validated our entry. Guys, I'm already teaching here on the stream, and I'm soon dropping more videos about my trading. Yeah, that is how I'm teaching for now. So I believe that is free. It is just you joining the stream and you learn, and you're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. That's how we learn here. That's how we learn here. Manuel, good to see ya. Let's be. So let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Slow down, back to back. It's enough to go round back to back. Been drinking like a Thursday. How you make it to my section in the first place? Nah, I ain't tripping, shit's not out. They say it ain't chicken if you got now. Bitch, I'm a boss like that. Right time for it and I still pop my roll up. Good Cali, lottie dottie, it's just me and all my homies at your door like the shadow. Feel like can't nobody stop me. I'm a hot in the bitch that I'm with. No, she hot stuff. Pull up in the hot world. Please explain your strategy, of course. Okay. Let us get into the details of my strategy. Let's just be honest. Let's be real. Yeah, let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Just be honest. We all know that deal. So let's just be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna explain my strategy so that whenever I'm executing my trades and you're so locked in on the chart, you can easily catch on. So guys, my strategy is price action. And with price action, it entails understanding market direction. That is understanding, are you in an uptrend? Are you in a downtrend? Whenever you are in an uptrend, the market is moving in series of higher highs and higher lows, and it is continuously breaking previous highs. That is a valid uptrend. And if you're in a downtrend, the market is moving in series of lower highs and lower lows, and that means it is continuously breaking previous lows and maintaining the highs. That's when you know that the downtrend is valid. I also look out for understanding market structure. We all know market structure is king. And with market structure, whenever I'm looking out for in the market are the strong points. By strong points, I mean the strong highs for a downtrend that were able to push the market down and break the previous low. So that is a point that led to a break of structure. And whenever you're looking out for a break of structure, guys, you have to see it with a candle closure. Please do not see just a candle wick and you think the market has actually broken structure. It has to be valid when you see it with a candle closure. So if you spot it on a higher time frame, better. But even lower time frame, you can really consider break of structure. And whenever you're trading after a break of structure, what do you anticipate? A pullback. But with pullbacks, guys, they do not, sometimes they happen immediately after the break of structure, but sometimes they do not happen immediately after a break of structure. So you have to be wise whenever you're really considering those things in the market, because that's how you be mechanical whenever you're trading. So with to understand what can help you spot that the pullback is happening, it is backing you up your trading knowledge with candlestick patterns. For example, if you're in an uptrend and you spot a bearish pin bar happening on the chart after break of structure, that is when you can start considering, yes, maybe I can consider that there is a bearish pullback that is yet to happen. Same with if you are in a downtrend and a break of structure happens, then the market prints a bullish pin bar or prints a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. That's when you can start considering that, yes, maybe the trend is bearish, but we are going to have a bullish pullback. So mainly that is my strategy that I use whenever I'm trading. But still, with trading, you have to also consider risk management, guys. You shouldn't over put a lot of pressure on your account. You can start risking small and you keep on increasing as your account is growing. Like I always tell you, if you're doing personal trading, you have nothing to prove to anyone. So please try to maintain market discipline as someone who is trading for themselves. Oh my God, our trade has been invalidated here. Damn. Let us look for more entries. So guys, whenever you're trading, you should know that you're trading for yourself. You have nothing to prove. You just have to prove to yourself as a trader, and you keep on challenging yourself to be a better trader by practicing market discipline and risk management that favors your account. Yeah, that is my strategy, and that's what we're always doing. That's what we are always sharing here every night. And we do not just share, we also display it as we are trading. Dropping so much knowledge, of course, because why not? This is a trading assembly. We have to share all the trading tips, and we are not gatekeeping. We have to share everything that is working out for you. We lose nothing. I also learned from fellow traders, so I have no problem with sharing with you guys. Maybe also you guys in the future you also share, because that's how trading is. We keep learning from each other. Come south of the border with me. Hey. Henry, I'm glad you came. I love your hips, cause they set away in my mind. This love is like a dream, so join me in this way. I mean, Mind Fancy, good to have you. Good to have you, my dear. Cancer in the border with me. Good to have you, my darling. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. And Ayanda, you're welcome. I'm glad you're so locked in tonight. Can anyone on the chat? Yeah, guys, actually, it is very much possible, but you should know that even me to reach this level, it took me some time, and it took me time to focus and learn. So that is exactly what you can do if you give yourself time to learn, be consistent and practice. Obviously, anyone can make it in trading. It is just the level of consistency that separates players from serious traders. My timing. The Inkets I'm using its Keltina channel and I'm using it with its default settings. Yeah. Hi. Mm-mm. Yeah, guys, I know you're ready for the donation. Thank you, Uz. In a few into it. Season change and the love went cold. Mm-mm. Kid storybook, okay. Like, remember, whenever we are trading with candlestick patterns, you have to first understand the candlestick pattern, and you have to also understand in what area on the market that it's going to be valid, that I'm going to consider it I'm going to base on it to make an entry. For example, if you are in a downtrend and the market has immediately broken structure, you start anticipating a pullback. And the pullback basically means the market going shortly in the opposite direction, then it comes back with its original continuation. So if you are in a downtrend and you spot a bullish engulfing pattern, and the market has just broke structure, you can start considering that the market could be going to reverse, and you execute a buy trade and you see if it goes in your direction or not. Guys, remember, in trading, that entries that we are making, it's not like we are 100% certain that they are going to go in our direction. That's why some we execute them and they go against us, because no one has 100% certainty that you're going to know that yes, I'm executing my buys and they're going to go in my direction. But with those few things that you consider, you're going to execute that trade and wait for it to either go in your direction or against you. Basically, that's what you have to always look out for whenever you're trading with candlestick patterns. If you're in an uptrend and you spot a bearish pin bar on top of it after a break of structure, that is a first signal that you're going to consider that the market may be switching to a bearish pullback, and you take the reversal entry. But it's not like you're 100% certain that it's going to go in your direction. Like, if you're really looking for certainty, then maybe trading is not for you, because with trading, it's all about having a probabilistic mindset that yes, my strategy is right, but the market still is going to be unique and it could go against you. That is why trading is risky and no one has 100% certainty. So, you know what we're gonna do right now is to first secure our profits, then we get into the donations. So let's do that. Hassan, good to have you. You like my hair? Thank you. Thank you. I wanna know how, I wanna know. She ain't going where she's supposed to be. Alright, guys, we are ready for our first contestant for tonight. So let us see how it goes. Okay, yeah, we're moving. Oh my god. Our first attempt has not moved well. But you know how we do it. Let us refund and try again. We are trying to learn your skill. Your skill set is way above us. It's not easy. Guys, trading is a skill that you build with over time. I also didn't really start up with such a skill set, to be honest. And like I'm already sharing with you guys my trading journey. It wasn't like this. Even in my first year, I wasn't profitable. To be honest, I wasn't profitable. Actually, I started really paying attention that day I met my friend and he told me he had become profitable, but he had joined trading earlier, like he had joined trading after me. So I felt bad in a way that I felt like I was playing. Then I decided to log in and I also see if it is possible to get the results. So that's how trading is. It's a matter of giving yourself time and just be ready for the process, please. This is a skill you build over time. And actually, the time difference for you to become profitable depends on how you're really consistent and ready to take in the work. Hey, guys, first attempt has worked for us, so let us look for another entry. So give yourself time, and give yourself time to learn, practice, be consistent. Of course, you can't be consistent for about 6 months and you think you won't see results. Show you will. Guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. Because why not? Things in life. And you know how we do it? Everything goes to the participant. So that's exactly what you're doing. It's a beauty. Life complete. Okay, guys, let's move on to our next. Guys, tell me, how are you finding the night or the day so far for you? I'm really in such a good mood. So let us see how this entry goes. Things in life. So let's see how it goes. Some crazy kind of hair. Okay, this is some good bullish momentum. So let's see how it goes. Oh my God, it's like it's already going against us. Oh my. Trading is crazy. Okay, let us refund and try again. Guys, let me hope you're locked in. Let me see you comment locked in. That's how I'll know you're locked in. So when I'm explaining the entries, you can easily catch on because you're so locked in for life. Teacher Lee, good to see ya. Guys, tell me what are your best markets to trade? And also you comment your best pairs that you really love trading. Yesterday someone asked me and I said mine. So today you guys tell me what are your best currency pairs or assets you love trading in the market. That every time you open that chart, you're like, yeah, another day, another dollar. So you comment your best trading, your currency pairs that you love. As we're moving. Damn, this really played on us here. Oh my God. And it has taken us out. Sorry about that, guys. Actually, guys, I remember when I was starting out to trade. My mentor told me when you are a beginner, it's better you can also choose to focus on one currency pair or like one asset and you trade it like every day like all that time, or you can pick about two, then you keep trading those, because the more you be actually on a particular chart, the more you start seeing, or you can easily be able to anticipate the moves, because now you understand its structure. So at that time, I remember when I was starting out to trade, for some reason I was so focused on GBP USD. Oh my God. And actually, I remember my first trade, and I was very much profitable on my first trade on a real account. Of course, the signal was given to me by a friend, but still it was profitable. Then after I started trading entirely on my own, I would just wake up, get my PC, and I would look for my entries and they would work out. For some reason, actually, when you are a beginner, you'll be so much disciplined that it is so easy for you to be profitable compared to when you start doubting yourself. I know, like when you make a few losses like this in trading, that's when you start doubting yourself, doubting your strategy, doubting anything and anyone around. And you can also start hating fellow traders, especially the ones who are making it. But that is also just a phase. Soon or later, actually, when you survive that phase, that's when you know that you will never leave trading. So me, when I was starting out to trade, I was just trading GBP USD, but that was some time back. Of course, you get indisciplined and you start having checking out on other pairs because you'll be thinking maybe the problem is the pair. Mm-mm. So guys, tell me which currency pairs you love trading. Let me see you comment your pairs. So someone loves Euro USD and USD JPY. Okay. I want to see you comment as you're looking for more entries. My candlesticks are 5 seconds and my expiration time, guys, is 15 seconds. It's not And guys, I'm trading binary options. So we are on Brent oil chart. You are unforgettable. Okay, I see you guys have GBP, JPY. All right, let us see. Wow, guys, are you seeing this momentum? It has really moved us. Beautiful. These are the entries that every trader should really look out for. They're really nice when you catch on such a good entry. Immediately moved into our direction. Okay, let me see you type congratulations to our participants. Let me see you type congratulations. Samuel, I see ya. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using. Anes, good to have ya. You are unforgettable. Let us see, let's move. Guys, you are trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question. Yeah, we are always catching up, good vibes. And reminder, this is a non-financial investment. It is purely for learning purposes. So let me hope you guys are really learning. All right, first attempt goes well. It really moved so fast in our direction. That's why sorry is nice actually. Most entries that you execute in line with the trend, guys, they are most likely to be profitable than trades that are against that trend. I wanna choose and I'm quick, cut a nigga off so don't get comfortable. Look. How long have you been trading for? 4 years. This is my 4th year, guys. This is some good ride, guys. You know where I'm at. I get paid to be. Wow. Having already direction in our movement in our direction. Okay, let me see you type congratulations. Pardon me. Guess it goes, bitch. I'm who you trying to be. Do you ever switch from 5 seconds to 3 seconds? Guys, like, we know my trading. I do not really complicate things. I try to be consistent with the things that I'm looking or is that I'm with the tools that I use in the market, because the more you keep switching, it's like you're really against yourself. It is always better to be consistent with the strategy, with the setups, because imagine it is easier for you to follow up and always catch on. Guys, let me see you type more congratulations. Let me see you type more congratulations. The ink that I'm using, Richard, is Keotina Chana, and I'm using it with its default setting. Oh my! Hassan says, I want to learn you rest of my life. You want to learn me? All right. All right. And if you can relate. Hello, bitch. If you wanted to, these expensive, these is red bottoms, these is blood shoes. It's the school, I can get them both. I don't want it to, then I'm quick. Hamza, good to have you. Good to have you. If you want to learn anything about trading, you're free to ask me here on the stream. And I'm also dropping more videos about my trading on this channel, so that's how you can learn. You're free to ask any trading question, guys, and I am trading binary options. We start from there. Yeah, and my strategy is price action. You're enjoying the strategy. I mean, I also enjoy trading with price action. It is really, I find it easier for me to use it.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little stressed.
I'm
a little stressed. We in the club, man. Oh. Yeah, they hate, but they broke though. And when it's time to pop, they have no shit. Yeah, I'm pretty, but I'm loco. The loud got me moving slow-mo. Hey, yo, Tweety, where the hoes, bro? Hey, yo, Keys, where the hoes, bro? That other nigga, he a bozo. It's a man, you don't know. We got liquor by the boatload. Disrespect the light, that's a no-no.
guys, if I'm to really throw more light on candlestick patterns, okay, let us first see how. Okay, you already know our direction. You're left with one attempt. One attempt for us.
Pockets on the chubby chick. And sugar bag of thotty and some buggy shit. You know why they touching me? Like I don't always keep that hammer next to me. Like I ain't got a header to the left of me. Like we ain't in these streets more than sesame. But that shit chicken, why she texting me? Why she keep calling my phone speaking sexually? Every time I'm out, why she stressing me? You call her Stephanie? I call her Stephanie. I don't open doors for her. I just want the neck, nothing more. Shorty make it cut, nigga.
Guys, like I was saying, if you want to
Black bitches talking out they jaw. Next minute calling for the law. This not have them calling for the law.
okay.
Getting money so they ball. I can never lose. What you thought? And they got it all out.
Let's see if we can get more entries.
Juice, I got the sauce. These haters on my body, shake them off. Pussy, I'm a bully in the boss. I'm killing them. Sorry for your loss. I just caught a body ready more. Now this year I'm really going on.
Okay, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations, guys. This has moved well.
These haters on my body, shake them off. Ooh. Ooh. These haters on my body, shake them off. Ooh. Ooh. These haters on my body, shake them off. I can never
Hassan, you want to trade your heart.
I can never lose.
You're trading it for what?
It got me sauce. It got me sauce. I can never lose. Where you going?
Guys, okay.
And they got it all out.
Guys, to throw in more light on candlestick patterns, I can see you, all of you are asking me. Like whenever we are on the charts, like right now, the market is going to print a candle and you're going to spot it as a pattern depending on how you're looking at it and what you're considering. But for you to validly use candlestick patterns, you have to understand they have to be in a certain zone or a certain market area that is really valid for you to consider either an entry or an exit. So that's why understanding market structure is also very key in if you are trading with price action. For example, if you're in an uptrend, continuation patterns, you're going to see them when the market has pulled back and it prints again maybe a bullish engulfing pattern. That is a sign that yes, the market could be switching back to its trend. So basically with candlestick patterns, you have to look for them in key areas. So now you could be my baby. Tell me if you ready. Baby, come and get it, try a new thing. Guys, even right now, I be analyzing the market because actually with the understanding of market analysis is basically looking at the charts and oh my god, there is some crazy price rejection there. Okay, we finally get movement in our direction. So that was some crazy rejection. Guys, whenever you're trading, when you're looking at the chart and you're looking out for something, that is market analysis. So market analysis is just that. Because whenever you're trading, you have to really look out for something, and that's what you're looking for. You're basically doing market analysis. So that is the understanding of market analysis. Let me hope you have got it, my friend who asked. Hey, you go be my baby. Is that price action? Price action is just a term that is used to define a collection of understanding market direction, understanding market structure, understanding candlestick patterns. For other traders, they also include chart patterns. Yeah, basically it is just that. That is the definition of price action. Is this one on you? You gonna be my baby? Actually, I believe some of you are already trading with price action, but maybe you just don't know that it is price action. Oh my God, guys. We are taken out by this crazy pullback here.
You look so wonderful in your dress.
Sorry about that. I'm sorry about that.
The way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders and back. We are surrounded by all of these lies. People talk too much. You got the kind of look in your
What's up, Alex? Good to have ya. The names you're seeing on the screen are the people participating in the donations tonight. And if you want to be part of them, there's a donation link in the description. And donations are not financial investment. They are purely for learning purposes and entertainment. Okay, guys, first attempt has gone well. Let's see how the second one comes up. All the information, guys, about the donations, use the donation link and it take you on the donation page and you find out everything about it, all the rules and everything. Should this be the last thing I sing? I want you to know it's enough for me. All that you are. Okay, let me see you type congratulations, guys. Let me see you type congratulations to Val. To Mr. Wolf. To Mr. Wolf. So in love. Darling, over me. Trust News, what's up? What's up? Should this be the last thing I say? Dr. Tina, good to have you. What's up? What's up? Rohan, there's a link in the description for the platform that I'm using, so you can use that. You can check it out from there. Beautiful smile. Thank you, my dear. So let us lock in for our next participant.
In the morning, I knew you back.
Cameroon, what's up? What's up? What's up? Okay.
Yeah, what you trying to get into tonight? World stuff right here. Why? Tripping, bro. Hey, light skin shorty that was twerking out tonight. She gave me written down. Man, and she said she got like 2, 3, 10 friends trying to come through. 2, 3, 10. Yes, nigga, this dude. Yo, he's sleeping away, but it's doing wrong, wait, man. Oh, hey, let's go, man.
You trade all day for a few hours. Guys, I remember when I was still a beginner, I would spend like 12 hours on that chat. But I really reduced on that. I don't do that anymore. You remind me of something. Okay,
I don't know what it is, but you just my tag. Everything just right. We said put it to the left, on to the hype though. Got a cup in your hand, baby sit but you.
Guys, I do not only trade Brent oil. Maybe that is when you join the stream. Because yesterday we were trading a different pair and we are always switching up things. Because it's not like always you're going to be in the market and that particular pair is moving. Sometimes you have to switch and check out a pair that is moving instead of locking on one chart that is not moving. And you know, guys, messy markets are so hard to trade, to be honest, and very much frustrating. So if you find that charts are funny, it's always wise, or it's best you can stay away from the market, or you can choose to look out for a pair that is moving and go with that. All right, second attempt has gone well. You phoned me today. That is beautiful. So you lock in. We are always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So you can always mark your attendance. And I am trading binary options. You remind me of something. This is a trading assembly, so you can always ask any trading question that you want to know. Because that's how we do it here every night, sharing tips as traders and our experience and everything. That's how we keep alive in the market and our trading spirit doesn't die. To be honest, as a trader, you need a trading community or anywhere you engage with fellow traders, because on days when things are so bad, that is what is going to motivate you to stick around. So let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. John Luck, good to have you. Something you gotta show me. You remind me of something. Na 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 na. I feel like listening to a love song. I'm soon falling in love, guys. Pray for me. You got it, girl. You got it. Hassan wants to take me home. Hassan, what trading question did you ask? You can ask again. Damn, we get taken out by this. Let us refund and try again. Guys, whenever I'm on a lower time frame, because that is my execution time frame, I just be looking at current market structure and current movement. Remember, I'm trading binary options, and our trades, we are just executing them with our expiration time of 15 seconds. So whenever I'm on my execution time, I have to understand market structure to be able to set an entry immediately. All right, let's move on. You got it, girl. You got it. You got it, girl. You got it. Okay. Let me see you type congratulations. I want to trade my love. Would you trade yours? Hey, you want me to trade my love with yours? No, and for that I want to first ask the trading assembly guys, should I trade my love for Hassan's love? So if the trading assembly allows, that's what we are going to do exactly. Since the love is developing here on the stream, we have to ask our fellow traders on the stream, should I trade my love with Hassan's love? Because that's what exactly he wants us to do. Cameron, you're saying why not? What does that mean? I want a yes and no. Guys, I want a yes and no and yes and no. So if the yeses are more than the no's, then it's a yes. If the no's are more than the yes, then Hassan, you have to get another strategy. Okay, so far we have 2 no's and I'm not seeing any yes. No. Hassan, people don't wish you well. Meanwhile, the yes is only coming from Hassan himself. Hassan, you're not supposed to vote for yourself. Okay, we so far have 1 yes, 2 yes, and about 11 no's. It seems like the trading assembly doesn't want me to trade my love for yours. You used to call me on my cell phone. Hassan, you don't. It seems like you need to first get more supporters. Because the no's are very many. Even someone typed a capital no. Okay, guys, let us lock in for our next participant. Ever since I left the city,
got a reputation for yourself, God. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever
Since I left the city, you
started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before.
There's a link in the description down there for the platform that I'm using, my dear.
When you need my love, call me on my cell phone.
Okay, let us see what we can get here. We're so locked in, so let us execute and see.
That can only mean one thing. I know when that highlight me.
Crazy move there. Crazy move. Okay, we locked in, we locked in.
You made me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you
Raphael, you're saying yes to what?
what you asked for. Running out of pages in your passport. Hanging with some girls I've never seen before. You used to call me on
No,
the
that
cell
this
phone.
indicator is Keltina channel.
When you need my
It's not Bolinga bands, though they kind of look alike, but it's Keltina channel. And guys, if you're liking something, don't forget to like the stream. If you're learning something, as we get into our next.
can only mean one thing. These days, all I do is wonder if you're bending over backwards for someone else. Wonder if you're rolling up a backwards for someone else. Doing things I taught you getting nasty for someone else. You don't need no one else. You don't need nobody else. No. Why you never alone? Why you always touch a road? Used to always stay at home, be a good girl. You was in the zone. Yeah. You should just be yourself. Right now you're someone else. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love.
I couldn't count the yeses because there was so little compared to the no's. But it seems like guys are starting to take Hassan's side. Maybe he's out there convincing you guys.
Ever since I left the city.
Okay, okay. Okay. Guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. You could just say no. No, on this trading assembly, we promote fairness and freedom of expression. So it had to go in a vote. And the polls are really so against my dear Hassan. So I don't know. We try again. We try again next time. We have to be fair. We have to be fair. And that's what exactly we're doing. In love rules. What do you mean? What do you mean? In a rich nigga want you, and your nigga can do nothing for you. These odds are royal. So guys, I can see you really didn't vote for your man. Let us move on to our next. I actually thought you guys are going to be in support of Hassan, but you chose to go against him. And you can see someone is saying, I would rather vote for myself. And guys, you all know that Hassan invited me for vacation in Maldives. I can see you also don't want me to enjoy. You want me locked in on the chats with you guys. So let us move on to our next. They are jealous of who? Guys, let us see. Let us get our final item for tonight. These guys ain't loyal. Money in the tank. I send it back home so you can lay with it. Okay, let's talk about this ice that I'm carrying. All these carrots like I'm a fucking vegetarian. Shout out Easy F, keep a rap phone with Rose Rolex, hoes on deck. She know I got a check. You went too good when she brought that dick. Man, I wouldn't trust that bitch. No. Come on, why are you frowning? Baby, show me something. When I call out, she gon' leave. And I got that bottle out, she gon' cheat. Come on, girl, why you frowning? Show me something. Damn! A win is a win, guys. A win is a win, and you know how we do it. No risk, no Ferrari. So let me see you type congratulations to all our participants for tonight. Yeah, we have locked in another one. Yeah, let me see type congratulations to all our participants for tonight. Amora is here every night, 8 p.m. UK time, and this is a trading assembly. Make sure you join and you mark your attendance as we catch on good vibes and share from our trading experience as traders. Honestly, we didn't say no. You guys said no. You really fought a fellow man. And I can see you don't want to see me in Maldives. So we are going to be locked in again tomorrow on the chat, same time. Because why not? So the highest form of my admiration. I ain't no connoisseur, but I'm kind of sure you will admire my taste before the sun. Fazan, you want the setting for the indicator? I'm using it with these default settings. Yeah, and the platform that I'm using to trade is Pocket Options, and there's a link in the description for it. And if you want to reach out to me, there's a link for my Telegram channel. You can join and can also reach to me via Telegram. There's a link for it. If you want a bot for trading, there's a link in the description for Skynet trading bots. Yeah, you can reach out to Skynet support team and you get a free bot. So guys, good night. It's always nice to have you here. Don't forget to like the stream. Don't forget to subscribe. Much love. I love you all, guys. Thank you for really making me happy. You're so crazy. Good night.